In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop Facebook announcing your birthday. So if you want to keep your birthday private and stop having Facebook announcing it to all of your friends, what we need to do is launch up the Facebook application and then click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side. Once you're on your profile, just scroll down to this details section here. Next to details, you'll see these three horizontal dots. Just go ahead and click on these. Then we're going to scroll down slightly to the basic information section, and right here you'll see your birthday. So what we're going to do is just press on this edit button next to it, and right at the top you'll see date of birth. Now at the moment I have my date of birth set to friends of friends. If you want to keep this completely private and you want to stop Facebook notifying all of your friends, what you need to do is hit this drop down arrow and change both of these options to only me. So you need to do that with both the month and the year, like so. And once you've done that, you can hit save in the top right hand side, and it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you stop Facebook from announcing your birthday. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.